In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add appointment scheduling to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic feature that allows your visitors to book appointments directly through your site, making it convenient for both you and your clients. To get started, head over to your Squarespace website editor. This is your main hub for making any changes or updates to your website, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this area. Once you're in the editor, look for the option to add a new block. Blocks are the building blocks, so to speak, of your Squarespace site, allowing you to add various elements like text, images, or custom code. Next, you'll want to select the option for adding a code block. Squarespace uses blocks to integrate different functionalities, and by choosing the code block, you're setting the stage to insert a scheduling tool directly into your site. Once you click on the code block, you'll probably see a prompt to edit the code. This is where we'll insert the magic that allows your visitors to schedule appointments. Now, here's where we turn our focus to Calendly, a popular scheduling tool that integrates well with Squarespace. You'll need to type in the code snippet from your Calendly account. If you haven't already, you'll need to generate this code by sharing your Calendly link or embed options. This code is what will allow the Calendly interface to appear on your website, providing a seamless appointment scheduling experience for your visitors. Once you've pasted the Calendly code into the code block, make sure to double-check everything is entered correctly. It's crucial that the code is clean with no extra spaces or missing symbols, as even a small error can prevent it from functioning properly. After verifying everything's in place, go ahead and click Save. This will apply the changes to your site, and, after a quick refresh or checking the live view, you should see your booking option right there for your audience to start using. And that's it! You've now successfully added an appointment scheduling feature to your Squarespace site. It's a simple yet powerful addition that can greatly enhance your professional capability and user experience. From here, you can continue to explore other Squarespace features or customize your scheduling settings further to suit your needs. We hope this helps in streamlining your business and improving your client interactions. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!